Unlocking the role. Understanding the zoo director. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel where learning English is both fun and informative. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, zoo director. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English, this video will clarify the role and the context in which this phrase is used. So, let's dive in. Zoo director is a compound noun. A zoo is a place where various animals are housed and displayed to the public. The director is a person who oversees and makes the major decisions for an organization. When combined, the term refers to the individual responsible for running a zoo. A zoo director is not just a title. It comes with a variety of responsibilities. They are in charge of animal welfare, staff management, financial planning, and often play a key role in conservation efforts. They ensure the zoo operates smoothly and aligns with both educational and ethical standards. In this role, effective communication is crucial. A zoo director must be adept at conveying information to the public, negotiating with stakeholders, and leading their team. This role is as much about managing people as it is about managing animals. Let's put this into context. If you visit a zoo and read about a new habitat being built, the zoo director likely approved it. When you see zoo staff working, they're following the guidelines set by the director. This position is central to the zoo's success and impact. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what a zoo director does and how the term is used in the English language. Remember, learning a language is about grasping both the words and the world they describe. Until our next lesson, keep exploring and expanding your English vocabulary. Happy learning!